Las Islas Coronados no es el lugar típico para conocer personas, pero ahí conocí a John Galetzka en octubre de 2017. Ahora, en mayo de 2020, acaba de ser nombrado responsable del Sistema Nacional de Monitoreo Geodésico de los Estados Unidos, con estaciones sismográficas diseminadas por todo el planeta. Felicito a mi amigo con este video para que le quede el recuerdo de sus andanzas por el mundo, instalando y reparando estaciones geodésicas desde los Himalayas hasta Alaska, pasando por las Islas Coronados. En diciembre de 2019 lo acompañé a reparar un equipo para monitoreo de sismos en Bahía de Los Ángeles, Baja California.
We'll troubleshoot the GPS station here to see why it stopped communicating a few months ago. So I suspect it's one internet router problem. But yeah, we'll open the box and see what the problem is today. So and try to fix it. Yeah, inside of the box. In the years before, the last few years, we were using this satellite dish to send data to the office, but earlier this year we stopped using it because now we can use the internet from Antonio. So this is no longer
needed.
Yeah, no longer needed. We took the transmitter off, and it's not consuming energy. But we keep it here at the moment. Maybe we can use in some other place like Isla Guadalupe or something like that. But not necessary to take down at the moment. But of course, we have another GPS station across the plate boundary in this direction. And we are by radio sending the data to this station. Here's the radio antenna going to the station on Isla Ángel de la Guarda. So 2 stations come here, and then the data goes to the internet connection inside Antonio's house, and then to our office.
Where is your office?
Oh, the main office, Boulder, Colorado. So I'm going to connect to the internal internet here, to all the instruments, to check everything, and maybe see if I can communicate with the island station, with the internet router here in the house, with the GPS equipment. So yeah, I'll do that right now. So at the moment, I know that the GPS station here is working, and now I'm trying to connect to the station on the island, IAGX. So I did some more troubleshooting, and the 2 GPS stations, this GPS station and the one on the island, they're both working. So now it looks like the problem was this internet radio here going to Antonio's house. Maybe it was locked for some reason. I reset power and it's working again. So everything's working, but anyway, now I will change one router so that we have 2. I will install this special router so that we have 2-way communication with the station. So I will do this in the next hour.
What is the purpose to have 2-way to communicate?
So one the hour our automatic download server at the office in Colorado can communicate to the station by the internet and get the data every day or each hour, and so that's one way. And we can change some configuration and check the health of the station. But also, if there's, for example, an earthquake event, and we want the higher sample rate data, like the data that's recorded at 5 samples per second, then this is a way for us to also reach the station and get this data. Before today, the station was set up where the station is pushing the data to us, but we just have to wait for the data. We cannot go into the station and check everything and get the data as we need. So I'm changing that today, that system. So the batteries here, this is all extra. This was batteries that before were used for the satellite communication system, and now it's not. We don't use that anymore, but it consumed a lot of power, so we needed extra batteries. But maybe I'll take these back to Ensenada with me and put them in Ciceso, or maybe I'll give one to Antonio. We'll see the situation. So the last few hours I was reconfiguring all the internet addresses for all the different devices, the radios, the routers. So that was the last few hours. So now it's finally starting to come together, and already in Colorado, the team in Colorado could see the router here and could access the GPS station. So everything's coming together. So looking good. Here, smell this. Yeah, really strong.
Un olor muy bonito, ¿eh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's gobernadora is the name in Spanish.
Ah, that's what. Yeah, and after the rain, this really has a stronger fragrance after the rain. All this desert vegetation. So good news, Alfredo. So not only are these two stations here in the Bahia de Los Ángeles area working, the Ángel de la Guarda station and the Bahia de Los Ángeles station online, but I just saw, looking at a report, a real-time report, and it says that the Coronado Island station is just now starting to the UNAVCO is now automatically pulling the data from the station, so Coronado is online too.
Wow, it's incredible. Another coincidence.
Yeah, you see here, Corks.
Yeah.
You see here, and then it's updated until today, so